Hi guys, it's Dhanush Kumar. In last video we have manually implemented the login page onto the app which we require. So in this video we are going to create a patch so that it will be easy to apply the patch to any app. So let's get started. So if you remember in last video we have extracted the login page files, that is small files. I will show you the files. I have extracted it in the add text. You can see here happy patch, the login files, the login small files. So in this video let's create the patch for it. So first you have to select any of the app. I will tell you why. After it opens, you click on this save patch examples to SD card. So it will save the patch examples to SD card. So in this, one of the patch which is very useful for now is the new entrance patch, new entrance patch. So we are going to modify the files in those that patch, and we are implementing our patch here. So in last video I was told you why I have named the package as com example dot happy patch. So you are going to know the reason in this video. So I'll open the RAR app. So here examples. So let's copy this and paste it here outside the file. So you can see now. Let's extract those files. Here you can see we have files and also these files. You can see in this patch, when we extract, we have two files. One is patch text and another is extra zip. So in this extra zip we have small folder which contain the patch files of small. For example, if we want to implement login page, we have to paste the login files here. You can see we have activity, many activity. So I have told you I have named the package as com example dot happy patch. The reason is because it will be easy to implement here. We have to just change the files here, and we no need to change the patch text, so it will be as it is, so you no need to change. So if you want to create with other package name, then you have to change it here. You can see com example happy patch. For example, if you have created a com dhanush.kumar, then you should like com dhanush.kumar. So that's it, not main activity. Which, if here it is main activity, you can name the activity which is main in your file. So now let's extract this. So now what we have to do is we should delete all these files and paste our login files. It's here. Now let's go to the add text folder where we have pasted the login small files. You can see it is here. So let's copy all of this. Let's copy this and sorry, here extra zip small com example. So now here we have to create an happy patch folder. Let's create here. 1 minute. Let's copy the whole folder so that it will be sorry. Let's paste it in extra zip folder here. So now you can see here the happy patch is pasted, and the files is also pasted, and main activity is also present. So now we don't want these resources, we do not require any of these resources, but let's keep it. We are not we It's not a problematic issue for us, so let's keep it there. And you can see here we should edit here. So as in default I have created the com example happy patch. If you have other package name, then you need to replace it with here. So that's it, the patch is ready for now. Now let's make it. So here zip, that's it, patch new entrance. You can rename it to any name, like I'm replacing to login zip. Now click on OK. So now your login patch is created. So now let's try to apply it to any app. So let's select the app current activity, full edit. You can see now there is no login page in this app. So let's add a login page here. Patch, select a patch. So it's in APK Editor Pro. So this is the login patch we have created here. So it's saying the patch text is not present. So let's check once again. Sorry, it has created the folders. So now let's select this both and add to zip. So now the login patch is created. Let's cut this one and paste. So let's try it once again. Login patch. So you can see here everything is present. So let's apply the patch. So all tools applied. Now build. So the app is not opening here. So it's something has went wrong. So let's check what is wrong there. So let's open the app. So let's click on full edit and decompile the app. So that I think it's somewhere issue in the main activity of which we have added. So let's go to example, sorry, not here. Let's go to example happy patch main activity. Let's search on create. Let's search something, the code which is causing error here. So So here you can see, as you can see here, we have ADRT, so which is which file is not present in this class. So let's delete that. It's in simply extra code. So now let's save this. So I have fixed it here to make it easy. So you should fix in the patch file itself, or else you should often be changing that one. So you try to change it in the patch file itself. So let's remove and reinstall the app. So you can see the login page has appeared. So the login patch is working fine, and here it completes the login series, login implementation series. So you can see it is working fine. So thanks for watching. Subscribe.